As you guys come to know that I'm making a rocket. Now we need the fire effect, so I'm gonna show how to make that fiery effect that rocket has. But before that, I'm gonna finish it up the corners, because the rocket has here the corners. So here the two, I skip one and come out of one. I'll pick up 4, we'll skip one and coming out of next, we'll again pick up 3 and just skip the 2 of the first box and coming out of the next box. So our corner is ready. Now what we're going to do is we will again come out of next squares 2. Then we'll pick up 10 green beads. Three, 10 green beads. Now we will pick up 3 again and just come out of that 10th number bead and try to make the triangle. Now we'll come 2 more bead upward. We'll pick up 5 we'll skip 3 and coming out of 2 and again coming out of 3 the line we made earlier, the 10 block. So again pick up 5 we'll skip 3 and coming out of 2 again coming through that line 3 beads upward and again pick up 5 skip 3 and coming out of 2 and at the same time the one left one from the 10th. So this is how it going to hanging the tassel effect. I'm giving it here at the same time the fiery one. Now we will coming out of next box 2 so this is how we put the fiery effect here. If we put this red kind of stuff, then it would have looked really good, but since this tricolor effect needs to be maintained, I'm giving the green tassels. So again we will repeat this thing in each box to like in the middle we again came, so we'll pick up 10 and again repeat this thing till the last 4. last two blocks are left. Means here this first and the second, we will skip these two and make that corner effect on the corner. So let me finish it up, this and the corner. So I just finished both the corners. Can you guys see it? And the fire effect with green. If you don't want to do this, there is another option for it. You can buy these kind of feathers. They are available in the market. You just cut them small and then stitch it at the bottom, or else this is a green, that's why you can use the peacock feather too. Just the small piece, cut it the triangle and place it there. Now I'm gonna make a knot here, and then I traced it on a board and cut it out the shape. Then I'm making it the white one and the felt one, and repeating the same thing and making a brooch like this we did. Please watch that video where I made this moon to just make this brooch. So I'm gonna make that first. You guys can see I just finished my first rocket using the same technique we use here to make this brooch. I made the same, see. So I made this just because we recently launched Chandrayaan 2. This is a huge achievement for India, so I decided to make a moon and a rocket to wear it on shirts. So make one of yours and just let me know how it goes.